Welcome to Yoga with Bonnie. We're going to practice standing core strength yoga, which means we won't be getting up and down from the floor. So the core is the center of your body. It includes the muscles of your back, the muscles of your abdomen, the muscles on the side of your body, the pelvic floor muscles, as well as the main muscle of breathing, the diaphragm. I'm also going to give you some glute strengthening, one exercise and one movement in this practice today. A short list of the benefits of core work are listed below, and we'll also be going to the wall for some of the movements, and some of you might want to be near a wall to help you with balance. Let's get started. Welcome everybody. Let's get warmed up. Start with marching. Just to get circulation in your joints, in your muscles. Feel that you're breathing. Just easy marches. Bring your feet apart more. And then walk side to side, almost like you're clapping your hands, feeling the side muscles of the body get warm. Good. Hands in front of the heart. And we'll do 5 mini squats. Again, they're not the full-on squatting. We're just pumping the blood in the lower body, feeding our muscles, feeling strong. Last one, please. Good. Bring your feet apart, left hand to the hip, and sweep the right arm over the head, getting nice length. Stretch the side of the body. And modify the arm position as we go to the other side. If you want to put your hand behind your head, do so. Some of us have different shoulder stories going on. Good. And bringing the arm down. Now that we're warmed up, you may want to bring your back up to the wall to take the balance out of the equation, because there is some balancing in this standing core work. So watch me once and then join in. Bring your left arm up, and we'll start with opposite arm, opposite leg, bringing to the midline. You see how my weight shifted? 2, and I'm not rounding. 3, it's a standing sunbird. 4, inhale. 5, exhale. 6, 7, find your balance. 8, good. Pause, catch your breath. You can hold on to a chair if you want to. Standing sunbird, remember we're not rounding. Hand can be at hip. 1, 2, 3, the core is keeping you upright. 4, as your limbs move around it. 5, 6, inhale, expand. 7, 8. So it's not going to be perfect. Shake it out, take a break, take a sip of water if you need it. Pardon me. The next variation I call Tada. We'll bring your feet apart, and the action is to bring the elbow and then the opposite knee to the midline. Again, come against the wall if you need some balance challenge. Goes like this. 8, that's 7, 6, 5, so you see the angle going on. 3, 2, 1. And I'm staying upright, really avoiding rounding so that you can keep your spine as kind of poised as possible. Opposite side, so there's a little shift. Hand at the hip. We'll do 8, 7, good. 6, it's fun. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. So we're looking at practice, not perfection. shaking it out. And bring your hands to the cactus shape. We'll take 10 squats with pinching the shoulder blades together. So it looks like this. Hips go back, knees bend. 10, 9, 8, hip hinging, 7, don't let your head hang too much, 6, 5, feel the muscles in your back, 4, breathing, 3, 2, 1. Practice, not perfection. Getting stronger with these kind of familiar yoga shapes, working our core and standing. So the next shape will bring feet apart, toes forward, shift a little more weight to your heels. Once again, cactus arms. The action is to go up and over, pause, and then feel. This would be the right side of your body bringing you up. The side muscles are working. 7, we're doing 8 here. 6, good. Breathing. 5, 4, good. So really feeling that your strength is bringing you up. 2, inhale, and then exhale. Beautiful. Relax your arms. Roll out your shoulders. Roll one way a few times, the other way a few times. Good. Back to the cactus, up and over. Just follow along with me. Really feel the side of the body, this time the left side of your body, the strength of the side muscles of the core bringing you up. It's not extreme. Got 5 more, or whatever your count is. Again, we're not looking for perfection. I just want to give you this gift of ways to do core work without getting on the floor. Maybe you're watching TV, you can get up and do some of these actions. Excellent. Release, shake it out. Beautiful. So the next, you'll need a wall. We're going to do forearm plank with a wall. Your arms you'll clasp your hands. Your arms will be in these right angles, so the elbow and the shoulder. And I'm going to come to this door. You make your way to your wall. Again, the arms, the elbows are about as high as your shoulders. Walk back. Press your forearms into the door, the wall. Don't let your hips sag or don't let them pike. We're trying to keep nice, strong spine. So press into your forearms, relax your shoulders away from your ears, but feel your strength. Breathe here. And if that seems a little easy, you can walk back and come back to that nice feeling of the front of the body going toward the back of the body and the back of the body going toward the front. Plank is an all-round fantastic exercise. You can count for yourself what your endurance is in plank and then walk in to your door, your wall, and shake it out. So perhaps that plank was easy at the wall. One thing you can do is grab a chair or the arm of your couch, and as you bring the plank lower, it gets a little bit more challenging. So I'm going to use the seat of the chair. Hip hinging. Same action, walking back, not piking, not sagging, and coming to a forearm plank. Maybe counting I can really feel my core working, shaking, and quaking. Good. Breathing. And then to come out very carefully, walk in, bring your hands to the hips, press into the floor, and rise up. So the next shape we're going to do is a standing back lengthener extension, a wall cobra. So your hands will be more or less shoulder height, a little higher, lower, and you'll be extending your spine. So try it without the wall. In fact, you don't really need the wall for this. Extending your spine. Look where your wall and your ceiling meet. Don't let your head just roll back. We want a nice, smooth extension of the spine so you can feel the spine moving in and up and your chest opening. This is standing extension, great for posture, great for the back muscles. Slowly come out, and I'll show you, you can come to your wall now, how it would look at the wall. Same position, isometrically draw your energy down with your hands, grow the spine up, and take a nice feeling of cobra standing for the spine. And come out, release. Let's take our legs apart, right hand to the hip, left hand up and over. You can shift your hips if you want. Notice the nice mobility. So even though we focus on this yoga standing strength core work, you also get some mobility, some flexibility and empowerment. Good. Walk your feet in, bring your hands to your lower back, your elbows together. Let your chest, your sternum shine toward where the wall and ceiling meet. Breathing. Release your hands. Thank you for joining me. Feel free to go through this again. Comment, like, subscribe. I'd love to see you again. Thank you.